Hi everyone, Nicole Preventis with Logisoft here, bringing you another video in the Adobe Awareness series. This one is going to be on the steps to assign an Adobe entitlement. So this is the simple steps for assigning a license to someone, whether that's a free product or a paid product, in the Adobe Admin Console using someone's email address. So these steps will not apply to single sign-on. If that is what you have, or if you're looking to upload users by CSV, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. But this is for those situations where you just have, maybe in the middle of the year, one user or one license to assign. Or maybe you're a small organization and you just have a handful of users. That's when these steps will apply. Now, this is when you use their email address, which then turns into their username for their Adobe ID. And the quickest way to do it is to either click on the product from the overview page or go to the products tab at the top and find the product in question. I'm going to go ahead and click on Adobe Express for K-12, as that is what I am looking to assign a license for. You can see that I have a product profile here. Not every license in Adobe's world has product profiles. It may just take you straight to the user list. If it doesn't, go ahead and click on that product profile. And now you see here my list of users that are already assigned Adobe Express. Now I want to add a different email address from Logisoft. So how I do this is just by clicking on the Add Users button. I'm going to go ahead and add the email address in question. Now you can see it is recognizing me. It may not though. It may say add a new user down here, in which case that is what you need to do. And if it comes up that it's a new user, it will give you the option to add first name and last name as well. I do recommend doing that because it makes it easier to find your users from a list. Once I've got that email address plugged in, I click Save, and it adds me to the list of assigned users. Now you can see here that I show as having no access at this email address where the others show completed. That is because when you assign a new license, that user gets an email. So this is the email I received, and it actually says, welcome, here's how to get started with Adobe Express. Once I click on this Get Started button, it will then change in the Adobe Admin Console to displaying completed. So that's all it takes to get someone access. The steps are the same for any type of named user license, whether paid or free. And if for some reason you need to remove someone, the steps are just as easy. You click on the box next to the email address you would like to remove, and you click Remove Users. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions on assigning users or any additional steps needed, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thank you so much for joining.